Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particular, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe even leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page. You can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is an air purifier by a company called Dhyala. They sent this over and it's really, really cool. So first off, you're going to get a user manual, and then once you open it up, you are going to get the air purifier itself. So first off, this air purifier is rated up to homes that are about 1,700 square feet. So keep that in mind as far as room sizes. However, it's very easy to move from room to room. There's a handle on the back. It's easy to lift up. When you do get it, make sure to remove the plastic around that HEPA 13 filter. So it does include a nice HEPA 13 filter to gather up all that pollen, dust, all the just kind of nasty stuff in the air. It also does have an active carbon on the one side, which is going to help with odors and reduce smells. So that's nice. So think like cigarette smoke and the kind of pet odors, if you will. Now, it is got multiple settings. So you can control this thing via two ways. You can utilize their smart app, which is very easy to set up. It connects to your home network on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection. Or you can just control it on the device itself. It's really up to you and what you prefer. If you want to have those smart features or you want to control it via your voice, you can do that. So it's very flexible as far as the control of the unit. Now, you will be able to adjust the fan speed. This thing has 3 different fan speeds. You have a low, a medium, and a high. And then the fourth mode, which is what I always use, is basically what's called the auto mode. So the auto mode is going to be using the built-in sensor that's on the side, and then it's going to be able to just detect the kind of impurities. It'll ramp up and down that fan as need be. I find that the best. There is a little LCD screen right on the top that kind of gives you what it's detecting as far as the parts per million, and then it'll give you kind of color coded. So that way you know, like if it's green, you're doing great, yellow, maybe not so, red, not good at all. So you got different little snapshots of the color right on the screen. There is a sensor on the side. You may want to go ahead and open that up every 2 to 3 months. Just take a Q-tip, clean it out, just make sure that way you're getting the perfect readings. Very easy to utilize and maintain. Now also on the control button, you're going to have a little clock. That's going to set up a timer. So you're going to have a 1 hour to 12 hour timer on this thing. So if you do want to set it just to run for a certain amount of time and basically turn off, you can do that, which is another nice feature. As far as sound, it's really quiet, especially on the low setting. So if you have this in your bedroom and you want it to be like on the silent mode, you can do that. It's not going to disturb you or anything like that. However, if you do like the sound, you can turn it up and it almost is like a white noise, but you probably can't even, my mic's probably not even able to pick it up right here. That's how quiet it is, which is amazing. Now there is a little raindrop kind of icon on there. What that is a kind of a humidifier aromatherapy setup. And that is this little device. You just pull it straight up. You're going to just twist this off, and there's some little cottons in here that, and then you'll fill this up with whatever aroma that you want. And then it's just going to basically put that off. The air is coming out right here out of the top. And so it'll put that steam, and then it just goes with air and adds a little bit of extra ambiance into the room. Or if you have a cold, maybe you can put some of that stuff in there. Basically, it's just a nice little additive. It's a big little container here, so that way it holds a lot instead of just doing like little drops on a pad. There's a lot right here that you can put. It works very, very well. I'm very, very happy with it. Now, as far as the size of this thing, it's about 15 inches wide, about 7 inches deep, and it's about 8¼ inches in height. As far as the size. So it doesn't take up a lot. You can easily tuck it around in a corner. You just want to make sure it's got some room around walls, so that way it can bring in the air into the unit and has room to actually circulate that air. But overall, it's a very nice, slim designed air purifier. If you are in the market for a nice little air purifier, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I haven't quite covered that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.